Do not overpay for a phone with Fortnite pre-installed, because what's up guys, TechSpot here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and install Fortnite on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Now I'm making this video because Fortnite is currently removed from the App Store and I don't think it'll be coming back because of what happened. I'm not going to get into details in this video, but basically Fortnite is no longer on the App Store and it's not on the Google Play Store either for Android as well. But anyways, you can still install it very easily using this method and it's super simple. Alright, now I will be showing you guys two ways of getting Fortnite back on your device. Now the first one is a lot easier. So basically, if you had Fortnite installed on your device before and you deleted it, all you have to do is go back into the App Store and tap on your profile icon on the top right over here. Once over here, tap on purchased, and then tap on my purchases, tap on not on this iPhone, click for search, and in the search type in Fortnite. So if it pops right here, that means you can reinstall it directly through the App Store. But if you did not really play Fortnite like me and it was not installed on your iPhone before, then it will not show up over here, as this is basically your apps that you downloaded or purchased in the past. But don't worry, there is a second way of getting Fortnite on your device, and it is super simple using Zeus. So what you want to do is click on the link that'll be down below in the description and it'll bring you right over here to Zeus. Now Zeus is basically a tweaked app store and it's really cool. It's brand new. So anyways, all you gotta do is tap on get Zeus, and over here you can see it says slide to install Zeus. All you gotta do is slide to unlock. Now I know this may seem fake, okay? I know. Now this is actually real. So basically, all you gotta do is now tap on allow in the profile. This will not install any virus or anything like that. So if you do say that, or if someone just says that in the comments, they are 100% trolling. This is perfectly safe. And I tried it on my device too, so it works. So I test this out. Anyways, let's open up the settings application now and head over to general. Scroll down until you find profiles. And here you will find the profile for Zeus. Tap right there, hit install, install at the bottom, and now tap on done on the top right. Now as soon as you exit out of here, you guys will see Zeus on your home screen in a blank spot, so you guys can see there it is. And by the way, I am also on iOS 14. It works on any version of iOS. So let's simply go and tap on Zeus to open it up. And right off the bat, we do have some great apps that you guys might have heard of in the past. Delta is an emulator for iOS for Game Boy games they can play. And you have jailbreaks, you got Fortnite right there as you can see on the main page, and you got so much more if you go to all these different tabs. It's really well made. I love Zeus. I'll be talking more about it in future videos, but right now we're just gonna be focusing on Fortnite. So all you gotta do is tap on Fortnite right there. You will find an install button right there in green, so tap on install. And in this pop-up, now we're gonna tap on install again and exit out of here. Now you guys can see it's installing on my home screen, and the download speeds from Zeus are pretty quick. Now again, this is 100% real because the slide to unlock, the little animation they had going on to differentiate themselves. It does look fake, I do admit, but I guarantee you this is 100% real. I know the developers myself and it's really cool. So yeah, this channel is only real stuff, guys. Sometimes the stuff does stop working because it gets taken down, but other than that, all the videos that I upload are 100% real, as you guys know. Otherwise, I would not have 500,000 subscribers, right? Okay, so it's still a little bit of subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1 million. But anyways, I just want to show you guys this entire process of installing, just so you guys know that this is 200% real. It's at the installing phase now, so it's a little bit more waiting to go, and we should have Fortnite installed on our device. Now, I did test this and open it up. It does work perfectly fine. There it is. Go tap on to get this untrusted enterprise developer. Now, this is the only thing about this. It does run out of certificates, so after some time, it might pop up with this again, and then you will not be able to basically play Fortnite unless you reinstall it from Zeus. But anyways, to get rid of this pop-up for the first time, all you want to do is open up the settings application, and you want to head over to general again, scroll back down over to profiles and device management, and here you will find the profile. Now make sure it says Fortnite over there, and tap on trust again, and exit out of here. Now we can go ahead and open up Fortnite. Now again, this does run based on a certificate, which means that it's not from Apple's App Store. It is from Zeus, because again, it's no longer available in the App Store. And after some time, these apps do stop working. That's the only unfortunate part about this. So you do have to re-download it when that happens. But anyways, you guys can see, you could just go ahead and create a new account, or you could just use your current account. I don't really play Fortnite, so I'm gonna try making a new account. Let's go sign up with Gmail. So there you go. I have entered all the stuff to create my account, a bunch of random names, and oh, okay, this already has an account. So let's just try going back. I'm just gonna go to sign in, and let's try logging in now. All right, so now we are officially logging in. I forgot I already made an account to test this out for this video because, again, I don't really play Fortnite that much. But anyways, currently playing Borderlands 3, super fun game, and soon I'm gonna be playing Ghost of Tsushima on the PS4. But anyways, you can see it's now installing and it will launch when ready. But yeah, guys, it's 4.46 gigabytes. So just be waiting for this, all right? And once it's done, you'll be able to play Fortnite. Now, I would go ahead and sit here and wait with you guys, but it's taking a lot of time. So yeah, if you guys want to stay informed on like screenshots of this actually working, follow me on Twitter at @TheRealTechSpot. And yeah, this is really cool. Basically, you can still get Fortnite. Do not overpay for a phone with Fortnite pre-installed because that is not worth it. People are selling these phones for a lot of money just because they have Fortnite on it, because Fortnite is no longer available on the App Store. But yeah, guys, aside from Fortnite, Zeus does have a lot more like Delta and other tweaked apps and games, so check it out. This is TechSpot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to share this video, hit that like button. That does help me out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and I love uploading for you guys. Let me know of any videos that you guys would like to see down below in the comments. This is the TechSpot. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos, and as always, peace out.